Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alex. So for today's vlog, I am really excited. It's actually my first vlog of 2022. I actually want to share with you guys a few things that have been on my mind and also kind of just circle back to the last couple weeks.
You have to be your biggest fan, and when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're going to be.
Today's January 17th. It's like around 2:30. I worked from home today and I'm actually gonna head out to do a little photo shoot slash some filming for the rest of like the few hours. I actually shared my New Year's resolution over on my podcast, so I will have the episode here on the screen, but also I will have the link to the episode down there if you would like to listen to what my New Year's resolutions are and all of that stuff. Then hopefully you can check out the podcast episode, because I literally went on about my New Year's resolution. Just quickly wanted to share my vision board. It's very minimal, very small, but just very kind of like concentrated on these things that I have on it. The photo on the left with the girl in the workout clothes is basically part of what I've been working on lately. It's just creating a habit of basically incorporating working out and healthy habits into my daily life. So I've been going to the gym a lot and really been consistent with that, which I'm really happy. I have been meaning to try the 12-3-30 workout, but I haven't because I'm scared of the treadmill. Fun fact, I'm scared when I work out on the treadmill because when I get off I get really dizzy, so I never work out on like the actual treadmill. I work out on like these right here. So I'm gonna give this a shot. I'm gonna see if I can do it. I did get dizzy when I got out of the treadmill, but it wasn't too bad, so I'm okay. I think I kind of am learning how to get off the treadmill. I feel amazing. I'm gonna do a quick little grocery haul. We've actually been meal prepping. Well, we just started last weekend, and we're gonna meal prep this weekend, which is today, Sunday. I got some Honeycrisp apples. I love Honeycrisp apples. Honeycrisp and Gala are actually like my favorite apples. Then we got these sweet potato tortilla chips. These are actually pretty good. I really like these. Caesar likes these too. He actually started getting these first, and then we started like both eating them. Got some blueberries. I actually don't really like blueberries, but now I started having them with my oatmeal. So I like those. We got some baby carrots. We've been snacking a lot on these in the past couple weeks, so we moved up with getting 2 packets instead of just 1. We got some bananas as always. These actually grow fast because I like to have like banana, either a banana or like an apple like a day before the gym. Then we have like cauliflower. We have some onions here and a lemon. We have some bell peppers and 1 like little packet of spaghetti just in case. Eggs because we're low on eggs. Some little mini potatoes. I am so excited to make these tonight. I really like these little potatoes. We have some unsweetened original almond milk. We have these berries. Caesar likes to make his smoothies with this. We have more bell peppers, so we're gonna be cooking, like I said, meal prepping stuff. We have a lot of these. We have some carrots as well. These are actually for our meals. These are just for our snacks. We have some zucchini and one of our favorite things recently, hummus. We like to have our carrots with our hummus. Again, we literally upgraded to 2 this time. The behind the scenes of our meal prepping. We have, so far, we have steak and cauliflower. Last week we did chicken, and obviously since we did the whole week we did chicken, now we're changing it up and we have steak. These containers I will link down below. They're from Amazon and they're super helpful because they help like separate, and they're like good portion sizes. This is the final product we have here. So we have some cauliflower and some baby potatoes, and here is like some steak, onions, and different colored bell peppers. It's taken like such a positive effect on my mood and like my daily, just like my daily mindset. It's been so incredible. The next one, the one with the ocean, that is beautiful, that I am so obsessed with. That one kind of represents a trip to Hawaii that I unfortunately didn't get to go on during the state of the world. So I still have my flight, I still have my ticket, and it expires the end of May. So I am making it a goal and manifesting and planning and just booking everything all over again in order to go to Hawaii this year. The next one is the word consistency. I want 2022 for me specifically to be about consistency, and the other quote that I will talk about that's also on here. The next one is reading. I have been on a just love for books lately, and I grabbed the book Atomic Habits, which I've talked about already a lot on this channel, and that really just got me back into reading, and I'm really happy about it because one of my resolutions is to read at least 12 books. The next one is just small steps every day. I think this really goes along with consistency. Everything that I'm kind of focusing on for myself consists of small steps literally every single day. So that is what that represents. The next one is like a little road trip kind of photo. This kind of just represents going on road trips. I really want to, and I already have a plan actually of going on a road trip next month, and I have a lot more road trips that I want to go to. I want to go back to San Diego. I want to go back to different places and just do road trips, simply just road trips. The next one is an airplane, and that's because I finally feel like I might actually get back on an airplane. It's been insane. It's been a long time, and I'm ready to get back on a plane and ready to just get out of the Bay Area and out of California. It's the one with the sand and the little town in the middle. That one represents Peru for me. So I am manifesting, I am making it happen. I am going to Peru this year. I'm putting it out into the world, and I feel it. I feel like I am going to go to Peru this year. Peru 2022 is what I keep screaming out like in our apartment to Caesar, just like Hawaii 2022. I really feel like those two, like those are my focus in terms of traveling, honestly. Next one is just the YouTube play button. I love that you watch my videos. I love that you comment, like, and just engage in any of that. Like, even if you just watch and don't comment, like, I just really genuinely like appreciate all of that. And YouTube just has like such an important part of my life, and I love it so much. I appreciate it so much, and I just want to keep growing. I want to keep growing like as a person, but I also want to keep growing my channel. The next one and the last one is just a like bottom of California, I think. This just represents more road trips around California, going back to San Diego like I mentioned, in just different places. But that's just my vision board. It's very simple, very small and short, because that's just kind of like how I wanted it to be. I wanted it to be more intentional. I went on Google and I actually created myself a goal tracking sheet. I found a free template and I just kind of like modified it, and I printed it out, and I've written 4 tasks on here and how many times I have to do it each week. The 4 habits I have on here are actually to read, to work out after my morning routine, to upload a YouTube video, and to post on Instagram. So not to say like I'm not working on other things, but this is like kind of like my main thing that I've been doing lately. Just mentally, I've been feeling like so much better, like so much better, because I feel like I was really not in a good place like around December, because the holidays are very hard. And this little goal tracking sheet I thought I'd share really quickly. So today I am going to head over to do a little photo shoot. Caesar's gonna help me, but before we head out, I did do my makeup and hair and everything, and I actually want to share a quick little gift that I got. This video is not sponsored, but I do want to thank Avena Birthstones. They actually reached out and sent me a few things, and I want to share them with you guys. The first one is actually this. So this is a little case. I also love, like, when I opened both of these packages, like the little containers, I was just like, cute. So they sent me this little necklace right here. This one is beautiful. This is a simple just gold necklace, and I actually want to wear it today for this little photo shoot. But it's just simple. I think it's really cute, and I love how it's not like too like thick and not too thin. It's like just enough for it to be visible and just simple. So I really like this one. They also sent me a pair of earrings, which I'm really excited about. I picked these out because I thought they were so cute, like super minimal but also very different. Like I don't have any earrings like this. I mean, the little packaging is so cute. But again, this one comes in this little box, super cute. It's like super simple and black, and there we have the pop of light. I think it's adorable. These earrings are actually like this. They kind of remind me of paper clips. I don't know if that's something somebody else would say, but I think they remind me of little paper clips. So they do feel like a little bit different, like more heavier, but not like too heavy where I can't stand it and my head's gonna hurt. So far so good. We'll see how they do throughout the day. I am going to just put my hair down. But if you do want to purchase anything on there and you want to use my discount code, I'll have it somewhere on the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and fix my hair, and then we're going to head out. So these are a little peek at what I'm going to be using for today's photo shoot.
Hey babe, look what hole I am in. I try not to think too much about what might have been. How nice if I just could let you in. I know you could be my remedy. How long will you keep trying? I know it's not, babe, it's not easy. I guess deep down inside, I knew you could be my remedy.
So we did 3 outfits. Those are done, but I forgot the jeans, the black jeans, to go along with my other 2 outfits. So we'll probably do 2 outfits another time, sometime this weekend. And also, I didn't capture much because we were so busy like getting a place, like an area where there wasn't a lot of people. We're gonna drive and I will update you soon. We just warmed up our meals for dinner. This is from the prep meal that we did. It is time for me to get ready for bed. I sent out an email for my podcast because I have a podcast Zoom tomorrow. The gym really is like getting me tired, like earlier, like it's 9 right now and I was already sleepy at 7. I know it's because I have to like get up early for the gym. I want to get up and I like getting up early for the gym because I feel like it makes such a big difference when I work out in the morning versus when I work out like after work. I want to do a week in my life, probably like a week of workouts, probably. I don't know yet. I'm still like kind of like trying to figure it out here. So I would love to know what you want to see because that would really help me kind of like dial down what I should do. I literally only put makeup on for this photo shoot because I was not trying to wear makeup all day, especially working from home. But let's do our night routine. I'm actually going to use this today because I feel like I really need to scrub my face and exfoliate because I did put makeup on today. I'm ready for bed. I put these eye patches on that I've shared with you guys before. I will link them down below. They're from Amazon, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just wait, probably have it on for like 15 to 20 minutes while I read my book in bed, and then I'll just take them off and go to sleep. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already because it truly helps out my channel so much, and also like this video if you liked it, and I will talk to you very soon in my next one. Bye.